Holy shit, there's a train derailment right here. God damn. What the hell happened here? Maybe another tornado came through this town. Holy shit. That's the first time in my life ever seeing this. A train dealer. Holy crap. That's crazy. I've never seen anything like that. Not in person, anyways. Freaking train derailment. Holy smokes. That's crazy. That would have been scary. I hope the dudes driving the train are still alive. That'd be pretty goddamn scary. It'd be scary to see that just going down the road here. God dang. I wonder what the hell happened. It's in Greensburg, Kansas. Maybe you have to Google that. Say train derailment, Greensburg, Kansas. What happened? I have no idea, but that looked crazier than hell.